Everybody, here you have your core bites number 152. The first one says Madison filled 126 bags with tokens. Each bag contained 75 tokens. How many tokens were there in all? Now guys, think about that for a minute. She fills each bag with 75 tokens, and she does that for 126 bags. That is going to be a lot of tokens that she had to have for that. So let's multiply 126 times 75. So 126 times 75. Okay? Let's switch up some colors here. All right, so you start on the right side, bottom right. Okay? So 5 times 6 is going to give you 30. Regroup, carry it over. Then you're going to do 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. Carry over the 1. Regroup. Then you're going to do 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So you're done with the 5. So you're going to put a 0, because now we're going to start with the 7. Okay? So then you're going to do 7 times 6, 42. Regroup your 4. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 is 16. Hold on, let's see. So 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times, I see what I did. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 would give you 18. That's what I did. All right, and then 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 would be 8. So then you're going to add these together based on their place value. Okay, so actually, let's do this. So it's going to be 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 and 6. So 6 and 6 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Regroup the 1. And then 8 plus 1 is 9. So then you're going to count over. So 1, 2, 3 with your period there. So it's going to be 9,450. That is how many tokens she has altogether. Just imagine how long that would take her to do that. Okay. All right. For number 2, how would you write this number using words? Easy. 1, ones, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So you would say 1 million. That's how you would say that number. And then for the next one, you're adding fractions. And so if you remember our trick with the zeros, you want them all to have the same denominator. So if you just add a 0 here to make them all have 0, so add a 0 there. So your denominator is going to be 100, and then just add them together. So 7 plus 70 plus 7, so 7 and 7 is 14. And then 14 plus 70 would give you 84. And then, of course, you can divide, right? So you could divide both of them by 2 because they're both even numbers. So if you divide by 2, right? So 2 will go into 150 times. 2 will go into 84 42 times. And then they both still have an even number, so you can divide them by 2 again. So then 50 divided by 2 would give you 25. And then 42 divided by 2 would give you 21. That is as low as you can go. So 21 over 25 is going to be your answer. For number 4, what is the value of x? So they've given you a clue right here. This little box, that cube right there, means that is 90 degrees. And of course, this acute angle right here is 25 degrees. And they want to know what that plus that is. So all you do is you say, okay, 25 degrees plus 90 degrees. Add it together. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 9, 10, 11. So your total is 115 degrees. 115 degrees. And then your last one, which shape has only 5 angles? We did this the other day. It also only has 5 sides. A pentagon, because octagon has 8. Decagon has 10, because that is what those prefixes mean. Dec, 10, oct, 8, pent, 5. Okay? All right, guys. Check yours.